Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make my simple egg stew, what we call in Swahili Kitoweo cha mayai or mayai ya kukaanga. It has different variations. You can add even more veggies. So this is very simple and the perfect quick meal. So let's get started. So the main ingredient is egg, which I've already cracked and beaten up here. I'm using pureed tomatoes. You can use whole tomatoes as well, still okay. I am using coriander as well, which adds a beautiful flavor and aroma to your egg, chopped onions and green bell peppers. Now for the spices, I'm going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of Royco, which is completely optional. You can always use just salt and salt to taste, as you can see here. You can play around with your spices, your favorite ones like paprika, still okay. So using medium-low heat, add some oil to your pan or sufuria, followed by your onions, and let them fry until they are translucent. I went ahead to add in the onions and Royco. So I also decided to add a little bit of thyme. Thyme goes perfectly well with chicken or eggs. So if you have time, please try it with your eggs. So now, as you can see, the sauce is cooked well. Go ahead to add your eggs and just stir gently and cook them until they are ready. So some people love their eggs when they are wet like this. I prefer my eggs to be dry. So once the eggs are almost ready, turn down your heat. Then go ahead to add in your coriander. Stir that up and your eggs are ready to serve. So since I love my eggs well cooked and dry, I let them cook again for about a minute so that they're completely dry. So if you prefer your eggs like this, you can take them off your heat. So there are my eggs. They tasted so good. I served them with some ugali and sukuma wiki. You can always have it with your favorite accompaniment. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you did enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't. I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.